Welcome back to the channel. I'm SM and today we're tackling the big question for 2025. Where should you actually buy a house in the US? The market's been wild, but I've crunched the numbers so you don't have to. We'll break down the top 7 states for home buyers and investors, focusing on job growth, affordability, and future potential. This isn't just about cheap houses, it's about smart investments that fit your goals. Some states are set for major growth, while others may be slowing down. If you want the inside scoop on the next real estate hotspots, you're in the right place. Grab your coffee, and let's dive into the best states to buy a house in 2025. First up, Texas, a state that's been dominating real estate headlines for years. Texas's secret? Explosive job growth, thanks to major companies relocating and expanding here. No state income tax and business-friendly policies keep the economic engine running. People are flocking to Texas for better jobs and a lower cost of living. Even with high demand, you can still find affordable homes in Dallas-Fort Worth, Houston, and San Antonio. Dallas-Fort Worth is a diverse economic powerhouse, with affordable suburbs like Plano and Frisco. Houston's energy sector and port add even more value. The best part, you get both opportunity and affordability. Texas is investing heavily in infrastructure. New highways, schools, and commercial developments are everywhere. This means you're buying into a state that's planning for the future. Get in early in developing suburbs for the best appreciation potential. The Texas trifecta: relentless job creation, a steady influx of new residents, and a housing market that's still accessible. For career growth and homeownership, Texas is a top pick for 2025. It's a resilient market built for long-term success. Don't overlook Texas if you want both value and opportunity. Next, Florida, where population growth and sunshine are the name of the game. No state income tax is a huge draw for everyone from retirees to young professionals. Florida's job market is booming, especially in finance, tech, and healthcare. Miami is a luxury magnet, but Tampa and Orlando offer a sweet spot of affordability and opportunity. Central Florida's growth is explosive, and Gulf Coast cities like Sarasota are attracting new demographics. The real opportunity now? Up-and-coming suburbs around Orlando, Tampa, and Jacksonville. But beware, insurance costs and climate risks are real and rising. Factor insurance into your budget, it's a major expense here. Despite the risks, demand keeps surging. Florida's mix of tax benefits, lifestyle, and economic growth keeps it at the top of the list. Be strategic and do your homework before buying. Florida's still a contender, but smart due diligence is key. Heading up the coast, North Carolina is blending southern charm with high-tech innovation. The Research Triangle, Raleigh, Durham, and Chapel Hill, is a magnet for tech and research jobs. Major companies and startups fuel steady, sustainable growth. Home prices in Raleigh-Durham are still much lower than other tech hubs, making homeownership realistic. Charlotte, a major banking center, adds economic diversity and opportunity. Both areas offer vibrant city life, expanding suburbs, and a reasonable cost of living. Top universities feed talent into the workforce, keeping the economy strong. From the Blue Ridge Mountains to Atlantic beaches, the lifestyle is unbeatable. North Carolina offers career ambition and comfortable living, a smart move for 2025. It's a state where you can truly have it all. Now, let's talk Tennessee, a state with no income tax and a cool, affordable vibe. Nashville is booming with a diverse economy in music, healthcare, and tech. The city's energy is drawing in young professionals and investors alike. Knoxville and Chattanooga offer even lower costs and great quality of life. Tennessee's real estate is still affordable, even in hot markets. You get more house for your money and less financial stress. Strong rental demand and tourism make it a great spot for investors. Whether you want city excitement or outdoor adventure, Tennessee delivers. The fundamentals are solid for both homeowners and investors. Tennessee is a top pick for value, lifestyle, and growth. Out west, Arizona is booming, no longer just for retirees. Phoenix and its suburbs are tech and manufacturing hotspots, with major investments from companies like Intel. Job growth is attracting new residents, especially from pricier states like California. Home prices have risen, but Arizona is still more affordable than the coasts. The climate is sunny, but be ready for hot summers and ongoing water concerns. Arizona's advanced water management helps, but research your community's resources. The state is pro-business, and quality of life is high. think endless sunshine and outdoor activities. The next wave of growth is in Phoenix's expanding suburbs. For buyers, the key is spotting where development is heading next. Arizona's growth story is just getting started. Georgia is on a roll, with Atlanta leading the charge as the Southeast's economic powerhouse. Atlanta's diverse economy, logistics, corporate HQs, and film keeps job opportunities strong. The real value is in the suburbs, where you get more house for your money and great schools. Commutes are manageable, and suburban growth is radiating outward. Savannah and Augusta are also seeing expansion, offering alternatives to big city life. Statewide growth means options for every lifestyle. Infrastructure investments are supporting this expansion. For 2025, look to the suburbs in Atlanta's path of growth for the best appreciation. Georgia offers a dynamic job market, affordable housing, and high quality of life. It's a fantastic choice for families and young professionals. Finally, Idaho, one of the fastest-growing states in the country. Boise leads the charge, attracting newcomers with its quality of life and outdoor access. Remote workers and transplants from expensive states have driven prices up fast. Boise offers a small-town feel with big city amenities and a growing tech scene. Outdoor recreation is unmatched, skiing, hiking, and more right at your doorstep. The market has cooled from its peak, offering better entry points for buyers. Idaho's fundamentals, low taxes, safety, and community, remain strong. Look beyond Boise to places like Coeur d'Alene for more options. Prices are higher now, but the lifestyle and community are still a huge draw. Idaho is perfect for those prioritizing quality of life and outdoor living. That's a wrap on the 7 best states to buy a house in 2025. We covered Texas, Florida, North Carolina, Tennessee, Arizona, Georgia, and Idaho, each with unique strengths. Your best choice depends on your priorities: career, cost, climate, or lifestyle. Which state stands out to you? Are you living in one of these, or is there another contender? Drop your thoughts in the comments. I read as many as I can, and your insights help others too. If you found this helpful, hit subscribe for more real estate deep dives. Thanks for watching.
Dear viewers, I want to take a moment to thank each and every one of you for watching my videos and supporting my channel. Your love and encouragement mean so much to me. However, I have noticed that many of you enjoy the content but haven't subscribed yet. If you truly enjoy my videos and want to see more exciting content in future, I kindly request you to subscribe to my channel, and subscribing is completely free, but it helps me grow, create even better videos, and stay motivated to share some more amazing content with you. So if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button and join our YouTube family today. Your support means the world to me, and together we can make this community even bigger and stronger. Thank you so much for watching, supporting, and being a part of this journey. Dear viewers, I want to take a moment to thank each and every one of you for watching my videos and supporting my channel. Your love and encouragement mean so much to me. However, I have noticed that many of you enjoy the content but haven't subscribed yet. If you truly enjoy my videos and want to see more exciting content in future, I kindly request you to subscribe to my channel, and subscribing is completely free, but it helps me grow, create even better videos, and stay motivated to share some more amazing content with you. So if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button and join our YouTube family today. Your support means the world to me, and together we can make this community even bigger and stronger. Thank you so much for watching, supporting, and being a part of this journey.